Hi everybody, Julie here. Okay, I have something exciting today. So I was gifted these sunglasses from this brand, Triskel Eyewear, and I'm going to do an unboxing with you guys and show you what they sent me. Very excited. Okay, so first up, they come in this box, which is very cool. And then you get the glasses case with the logo on the side. Very nice. Okay, and you just take that to take it off. Okay, so let's see what we got inside. So we have the sunglasses carrying case, again, with their logo on it. Very nice. And then you have the sunglass cleaner, one of those things to clean your glasses. And let's take a look. I'm very excited about these. Ooh. I think these were the ones that my daughter picked out. So she's 18. Oh, all right. So it comes all sealed up. And we'll take that off and oh, look, you can see me and everything. Okay, let's take a look at the logo on the side. The nice gold and black detail. Very nice. And these are polarized sunglasses for a phenomenal price. So I'm gonna put those down right there. And I will have to make another video of me wearing them, but this is just gonna be the unboxing video. So, whoops, put those there. Very nice. Okay, and the second one, this is a men's sunglasses. So this one I got for my husband. Again, comes with the nice box. And then the sunglasses case itself. I really like this little detail. Okay, so we open that up. And again, it comes with the case. And this time I'll put the sunglasses in the case to see how they fit. And it comes with the little thing to clean your sunglasses. And here is the other pair. All right, so look at these. Fantastic. Again, you can see the logo on has the logo here on the edge of the glasses, or like at the very tip, which is very nice. And I don't know what it says there. I cannot see. And again, these are polarized. They look great. Okay, let's wipe these down. They shouldn't have any marks on them. We've taken them right out. But I think my husband's gonna really love these. Okay, so, oh, hi guys. You can see me. All right, I love them. And so this is how they're really lightweight. Okay, so these ones are quite thin. But if you're looking for really lightweight polarized sunglasses, these look phenomenal. Let's put them inside the case. And there you go. Very nice. And then we'll stick these ones inside the case. And again, these are a much thicker, right? They have a very broad, what is this even called? Love them both. My daughter is going to love these ones. This is the style right now, so, oops. Let's try that one more time. And there we go. So, very happy. We'll make another video of wearing the sunglasses, but very happy, and thanks to this brand for sending these over.